Hi guys, I'm Cynthia and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is about makeup, hair and how-tos, and for today I'm going to do an eyelash tutorial. But before I get into it, did you know that it takes less than 2 seconds to subscribe to my channel? Did you? Okay, now you know. Let me give you time. Go ahead, subscribe. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, that's more than 2 seconds. I believe you've subscribed, and without saying much, let's just get into it.
So for this tutorial we are using our eyelashes, and always make sure your eyelashes are cut into the size of your eye. To cut your eyelashes, always cut from the outer corner, and to know the difference, the inner corner is always shorter than the outer corner. We are also using a pair of tweezers. So I'm using my Duo adhesive lash glue in the dark tone. There's a white tone for this kind of glue, but I prefer this dark tone. And guys, don't just use any glue, please use the lash glue. I see people using hair glues, please don't. My 2-in-1 eyeliner, the other side is a mascara, and an eyebrow brush or a spoolie if you have one. I misplaced mine, so I'm just going to use this one. So the first step is to do a wing liner, and if you don't want to do a winged eye, just line your eye using your eyeliner. I'm using my eyebrow brush to brush my eyelashes because they are curled and they get in the way of my eyeliner. So guys, you can see I'm using my fingers to hold my lashes, and I'm just applying my lash glue. You can use the pair of tweezers to hold your lashes. So that's it, and I'm going to leave my glue to dry up for like 30 seconds so that it can become sticky. If you feel like this process is too much, just line your eye using the glue, then stick your lash. So this is how you hold your lashes using a pair of tweezers, and always have a mirror, but that was just for demo, and I'm just going to use my fingers to hold my lash. It's always easier that way. So when applying your lashes, never position your mirror straight to your eye. Always put it down and look down in the mirror. That way it's easier to see your lash line and where you want to put your lashes. When sticking your eyelashes, always start with the middle part. Stick it and make sure it's stuck. Then from there you can always adjust the outer corner and the inner corner. And when adjusting your eyelashes, always make sure the outer corner is in the right position, because when you pull your eyelashes to your inner corner too much, you can have some irritation. It can be too much in the inner corner, then you'll get some irritation when you close your eyes. So hard 'cause I loved you, but I'm finally free. I'm just adjusting my eyelashes, and after that I'm just pressing them together with my real lashes. So from a closer view, this is what it looks like, and at this point, if you have any question, please ask in the comment section and I'll reply. I'm also going to do my other eye, and continue watching to know how it came out. And by the way guys, holding your lashes using your fingers is optional. It just works well for me. You can use a pair of tweezers, long nails, they can come in handy. Just play around, do you? It's never that serious. So I'm just adjusting my eyelash to where I want it to be. Then I'll just stick it, I'll just press it with my real lashes, and that is it, guys. Look at how my eyelashes came out. They're so perfect and they look real. So if this tutorial was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel